Hi everyone, welcome to our first week of Contemporary Math. As always, start by watching the announcements and checking to ask the questions. Click on the Content tab to get started. So we are in week 1, and you'll notice that there's a long list of everything we're going to learn. We're going to be learning about functions and graphing functions. So please review the checklist, and we've got some videos. The PowerPoints might be helpful to print to take notes on as you are working on the assignments. We've got a few extra credit discussions this semester, so I encourage you to post in those discussions, as that is the easiest way to earn extra credit. And here's all of our homework assignments. Ideally, you want to do one a day. Trying to do all of it once will be quite overwhelming. I'm going to walk you through how to do some of the homework. You'll click on this once you've set up your account, and it will open it up like this. When you click on the assignment, it will pop up in a new window. You might need to remove your pop-ups. So when you go to graph, you're going to want to enlarge the graph, and notice how you have different options of what to graph. In this, we are graphing lines, inequalities. So you're first going to pick the shape you want, and we're doing a line, not absolute value, not a parabola, not a circle. You're going to want to have 2 points on the line. So notice how when I click on it, it shows it to me up here. If you want to change it, you'll just click and drag it. So you may consider using a different tool like desmos.com to graph it to help you see it. Then right here gives you the option between a solid line and a dotted line. Dotted lines are for less than or greater than. Solid lines are for greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. And then because it's an inequality, you're going to need to either shade on the right or on the left. And one easy way that I like is I take a test point that's not on the line, like the point 0, 0, and replace x and y with 0, 0. So for this first equation, 4x plus y, if you replace both of those with 0, then you have 0 is less than 8, which is true. And if it's true, then you shade where 0, 0 is. On the second equation, if you replace x and y with a 0, you'd be saying 0 is greater than 3, which is not correct. And so if that is the case, then you would shade opposite of 0. So of course, this is not the correct line, it's just an example. But once you have it plotted, and in this problem you're going to have 2 lines, so before you even do the shading, you want to plot both lines. And anytime you need to make changes, go ahead and click on it. And then when you do your shading, each line is going to have its own shading. And the final answer is going to be where the shading overlaps. So if the top line you shaded below and the bottom line you shaded above, then you would click where both of them are being shaded at the exact same time. So that's getting you started. I will make you some more videos and help you out with more graphing info. Thank you for watching.